See, most small businesses don't fail because they have bad ideas. They fail because they look amateur. The product might be good, the service might be good, but the logo looks random. And when I say random, I mean completely random. The Instagram post don't match. The website feels disconnected. The ads look cheap. And suddenly, before the customer even buys anything, they already judge the business. So I'm testing something that could completely change how entrepreneurs build brands in the future. Can I use AI to create the complete business brand in just 60 minutes? That's the big question. Not just one logo, a full brand identity, a brand kit, fonts, colors, packaging, social media content, website banners, the lots. And on top of that, even video marketing assets, all powered with one AI design agent. Lovart. The timer starts actually now. Quick disclaimer as always before we go any further, this video is for educational purposes only, should not be considered business or finance advice. You have to remember this. To make this realistic, we're going to pretend as if I'm launching a brand new small business today. No design team, no agency, no branding expert, just me, one idea, and Lovart, of course. See, what makes Lovart interesting is that it's not just another AI image generator. Lovart is an AI design agent built for entrepreneurs, creators, small business owners, and one-person companies. The difference is important. A normal design tool gives you a blank canvas. Then you still need to understand layout, typography, brand consistency, color theory, campaign design, and how to turn one idea into multiple assets. Lovart is actually designed to help with that actual creative workflow. It can take an idea and help it turn into polished brand assets, social graphics, ad creatives, product visuals, and even videos. And the most important feature for this challenge is the brand kit. Let's not miss that out. Because the brand kit is not just a nice document with colors and fonts. Inside Lovart, the brand kit becomes the foundation that guides every design afterwards. And that means instead of creating random assets one by one, we can create a brand system first. Now we're getting to the most important part of the entire video, the brand kit, which I briefly talked about in the beginning. And I want to explain this properly because this is where the real value is from my perspective. Most people think branding means here's my logo, but your logo is not your brand. Your brand is how everything works together. Your logo, your colors, your fonts, your layouts, your product visuals, your tone, your ads, your social posts, your websites. All of this is what creates a brand. And if all of those things look disconnected, the business feels disconnected and it's not going to perform well as a business should. So now I'm using Lovart to create the Brewflow brand kit. And as you can see, the brand kit is being generated. And the brand kit includes the following: primary logo, secondary logo, color palette, font system, visual direction, brand guidelines, example applications. This is the moment Lovart stops being just a generator and becomes the foundation of the whole creative workflow. Because once this brand kit exists, every future asset can follow the same identity. Now let's talk about something that most non-designers completely underestimate and ignore: fonts. Fonts can make a brand feel premium or cheap, modern or outdated, trustworthy or unprofessional. And this is where Lovart's fonts generator becomes extremely useful from my perspective. Because if what I'm saying is true and most people can't determine which is the other one, we have a problem. Because with Lovart, instead of me spending hours searching for font combinations, it can actually suggest typography that fits the identity we've already created. As I'm showing you a number of font options to demonstrate this very example I'm talking about, the key thing here is alignment. The font is not being chosen randomly, it's being chosen based on the brand direction. Brewflow is supposed to feel premium, focused, and modern, so the typography needs to support that very element. And once we've selected the font system, it becomes part of the brand kit. That means when we create packaging, social posts, ads, websites, assets later, the typography stays consistent within those parameters. This is how a small business starts to look like a serious brand. Now, this is where I think Lovart becomes especially powerful, because most tools make you create one thing at a time. One logo, one post, one poster, one ad, but business owners don't need isolated assets. They need campaigns. They need everything to work together and look on brand from day one. So now I'm going to use Lovart's infinite canvas to create multiple brand assets in one workspace. Now, as you can see, this is one of the biggest workflow advantages I've seen in recent time. I can see the whole brand ecosystem at once: the logo, the packaging, social posts, the website banner, the ad creatives, the product mockup. Everything is visible together. And because the brand kit has already been created, Lovart can apply that identity across all our different outputs, which is truly exciting. I mean, the fact that it can generate assets simultaneously, I'm talking about Instagram launch posts as I'm demonstrating that, product packaging, website hero band is all at once simultaneously. It's quite unique from my experience. In all honesty, look at what's happening here. It's truly remarkable. We're not reinventing the brand every time. We're not choosing new colors every time. We're not guessing fonts every time. The brand kit is doing the heavy lifting, as I love to say. Instagram post feels like Brewflow. The packaging feels like Brewflow. The website banner feels like Brewflow. This ad creative feels like Brewflow too. This is the real value. Lovart is helping turn one business idea into a complete brand campaign while keeping everything visually connected, which is amazing from my perspective. And for a small business owner like me, that is massive because consistency is one of the things that usually separate amateur businesses from the professional and the more successful ones. So I also want to talk about using Edit Any Text, which I think is really amazing because it can quickly update the copy without regenerating the whole design, which I find truly incredible. With Edit Any Elements, I can also move and adjust any design elements to fine-tune the layout. No need to start over again, which is what I'm demonstrating right now. Now, one concern a lot of people might have with AI design tools is control, because sometimes AI gives you something that looks good, but then you want to change one small detail. Maybe the headline is wrong, maybe the offer changes, maybe you want a different call to action. So let's test that in this very moment. One-click text updated and the design still stays aligned with the brand kit, which is truly incredible. This just demonstrates that it works as it probably should, if not better. And as an entrepreneur, we like things that work better. This is important because entrepreneurs need speed, but they also need flexibility. You don't want to regenerate an entire design just because one line of copy changed. You want to make edits quickly and keep moving. That's why this feels more like a creative workflow than a simple image generator. Lovart helps create the results but still gives you control over the details, which is something that I find truly powerful because it gives you that flexibility that we like to talk about, which is what businesses need, especially in the early stages. Now let's imagine Brewflow is actually launching. One asset is not enough. We need a full marketing push. So I'm going to use the brand kit once again to scale the creative output. Now I'm going to use it to generate Instagram carousels, product advertisements, seasonal promotions, website hero images, product mockups, launch campaigns, graphics, because that is all needed because we need to launch with a bang. Now, this part would usually slow businesses down. I've done it before with a number of my businesses before. And I'll tell you what, getting all of that information together takes days, weeks sometimes, which is too long. Here we're doing it in less than 60 minutes, which I think is pretty incredible. So we've eliminated the idea that every time we need to make a change, we need to hire someone, brief for a designer, or wait for revisions or try to make it yourself. But with Lovart, what we've done instead is that brand kit continues guiding the output so the business can create new campaigns without actually losing consistency, which is truly powerful. That's the point. Lovart is not just helping me make something that looks nice today, it's helping me build a repeatable system for tomorrow. And I love systems, like I always say. For a small business owner, that matters because marketing never stops. You need new posts, new ads, new seasonal campaigns, new product visuals, new website graphics, new videos. And if every asset looks different, the brand becomes messy. Trust me when I say this. But if every asset follows the same brand kit, the business starts to feel much more professional from the very start of its existence. The great thing with Lovart is that it doesn't just stop at static visuals. This is an important distinction because modern businesses need video too. Whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, product ads, or website content, video is now part of the marketing ecosystem and stack. So I'm going to take out one of the Brewflow product visuals and turn it into a short branded video. So what I'm going to do now is demonstrate the image to video workflow. First and foremost, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to create animated coffee product shoot, lifestyle video, short ad video style visuals, branded motion assets. This is exactly what I mean when I say Lovart is acting like a creative layer. It's the marketing workflow. We started with an idea, as we demonstrated in the beginning, then used that brand kit to generate campaign assets, then turn those assets into video as we just demonstrated right now, all inside one workflow, and everything still feels like the same brand. That is what makes this really powerful from my perspective. Not just the fact that AI can create something like this, but the fact that Lovart can help carry the same brand identity across multiple formats. So let's look at what we built. 1 hour ago, we had nothing. Brewflow did not exist. There was no logo, no colors, no typography, no packaging, no ads, no social content, no website visuals, no video assets. But by using Lovart, As the creative partner, we created a full branded ecosystem, which is amazing. And the most important thing is not just that the design looks great, it's that they look connected, as I've demonstrated right now. That's the real challenge for small businesses, because anyone can create one random visual, but building a consistent brand system that supports your marketing over time is much harder, as we all know. And that's where Lovart's brand kit becomes the foundation. It gives the business a visual identity that can be reused, adapted, and scaled, which is beautiful from my point of view as a business owner. The biggest advantage small business owners have today is not always budget, it's speed. And tools like Lovart makes it possible for entrepreneurs, creators, local businesses, and one-person companies to move much faster without needing a full creative team. For me, the most impressive part wasn't just the logo, it was the workflow. The brand kit created the foundation, the infinite canvas helped me build the campaign, the editable layers gave me control, and the image to video workflow helped me turn static assets into moving parts, marketing content more importantly. That's why Lovart feels less like a design tool and more like an AI creative partner for small business owners. If you want to try Lovart for yourself, I'll leave a link in the top part of the description as always. And if you found this video helpful and useful, you know exactly what you need to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and more importantly, tap the notification bell. I'm rounding this video up now, and I'll see you in the next video where we're of course going to be talking about more business, finance, and entrepreneurship.